In this video, I will connect Java from Eclipse to the MongoDB. I will open the MongoDB compass and I will connect to the database. I have many databases. My database, my_database, it has collection student, and in this collection many document data. So I will create a new project. Inside Java, new project, I will click next. I will name the project Mongo Connect. Next, inside of the libraries, I will add the Java Mongo driver. I will leave you the link of the driver in the description. You can download it from down below. So this is the driver that I want, Mongo Java driver 2.12.2. I downloaded from this website. And I extracted to my workplace. After I extracted, I will add the jar, the driver here in the libraries. This is it. I will add it and I will finish. I will not create the module. Now I will create a new class. I will name it Mongo main. I will import the Mongo driver. First of all, I will implement the try catch block. First of all, I will create a Mongo client. This client is connected locally to localhost to the default port, and I will get the mongo.getDB here. I will be working with the my_database collection with the collection student. Now I will be adding some data to the collection. So I initialized D1 and D2, two documents, and I inserted them to the collection. After I inserted the documents, I initialized a cursor and I iterated through all the documents of the collection, and I printed the documents to the console. It's a very simple example. So I will run it now. And this is it. The documents are inserted in the collection successfully. I will try to change the names here because I already have Joseph in the collection. I will name it John Smith. And the second document also I will change it. And I will rerun it. So I will check it here. I will refresh. It didn't appear. I will open it again, close it, and open the MongoDB Compass. And this is it. There is 24 documents. So I will search for John Smith. So this is it, John and Monica, successfully inserted into the collection. Now I will create an executable jar for this project. I will right click the project, export, inside Java, runnable jar file. And I will specify the destination. The destination, it will be inside the Mongo Connect project. And I will rename the executable to connect.jar. And I will finish. So, and this is it, connect.jar. So what I will do now, I will run this jar file from the command prompt. I will go to the location of the project, the workspace. And I will execute connect.jar from the command prompt. So I will run connect.jar that way, and this is the result. The data is inserted correctly into the database. So that way we connected Java project to MongoDB database, and we inserted some document data into the collection database. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like our video. Thank you so much.